How to fix TikTok live wallpaper not supported easily and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now you have to wait. Scroll down until you find the TikTok, click on it, click on this force stop option, and then right here click on the data usage. Scroll down and disable the roaming data and the background data. Click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. And now last thing you want to do is make sure to update your TikTok into the latest version in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. It's very easy, as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.